welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you. I was in town and I had an idea and I had my grandkids over, so I thought, what a perfect idea to do with the grandkids. I wanted to show you how to make some cones with a pretty little edge here. My grandkids made these, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this. You can use these for parties and it makes it really pretty around the edge, you see. And you will need some melting chips. You can do chocolate, milk chocolate, or white. And then I got to show you, of course, you're going to need some ice cream cone cups. And I've got the plain. And then you're going to need some additions to put around the edge. And I got some Tajin here, some crushed up chopped Oreo cookies, some coconut flakes, some animal circus cracker cookies. And I chopped them up. They're so adorable. And then we've got some chopped peanuts, and then we've got some sprinkles here with some confetti. So stay tuned because my grandkids are over and I'm going to show you how to do these cones.
Okay, so I'm going to first dip it in this melted white chocolate, just like my grandma just did. And I gotta wait for it to drip a little bit because I don't want it to go all over the place whenever I'm putting my toppings on. And my toppings are gonna be these crackers and these, oh my gosh, and these nuts. There.
Alright, good job. Now you're going to pick that up and roll it into
now
there.
Dip it in.
You can pick it up if you want.
The numbers up top.
Whoa. This is
Dab some on the side, Addie. Press it in, and ooh, you're getting more cookies.
Ooh,
Look
you're
at
gonna add
this.
sprinkles
You
too?
want sprinkles too? Oh, how pretty. Press down. Oh, look at it. It's getting it.
Ooh, I think it's sprinkled in cookies and chocolate.
Look at
Let me
that.
see. Wow.
Perfect.
I dip my cone into the chocolate
Ooh.
and
Wow.
sprinkles and Oreos.
Okay.
Dip it in Oreos. Sprinkles.
The sprinkles. Ooh. Yep. Keep spinning it. Okay. Now.
And Oreos.
Ooh. Get some on there.
Yeah.
All right. And now show it to me. Wow.
Oh, that is cool.
Oh. Awesome.
And look at the other ones they did,
on.
Ray. Look at this.
All these. All right, what are you dipping it in?
In the Oreos.
Some chocolate first?
Chocolate.
Ooh, okay. Now
I
let's.
will dip it into the Oreos and the sprinkles.
Okay, let's go ahead and make sure it's not dripping. Okay. Should be okay right there. Almost.
Still dripping.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, you dipped
That's
it
a
really
lot of
good.
chocolate.
Yeah, that one's really dipped good. Ooh, look at. Got a lot of chocolate.
Okay,
at the
now
center.
what are we going to dip it in? Which one first? The Oreo? Okay. Alright. You want more or is that good? More?
Probably falling off, so a little more.
Alright.
I got more.
And now we got. Oh, this is all dripping in there. Hurry, spin it. Spin it. Whoa, that looks cool.
Whoa.
Alright. Then show me that. Alright. Awesome. And now we can add it to right here. And we got all those. Alright, and I'm gonna dip mine in the white chocolate because that's gonna be delicious. Alright, let it get off there a little bit. Let me actually get a little bit more here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go with the animal cookies. Oh. Alright. A little bit more. Oh, that looks good. And then we're gonna go with some sprinkles. I'm doing my best. And then, there we go. Look at that.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
perfect.
Not vanilla, strawberry and chocolate.
Okay, over here. So I'm scooping in on some of the cones that they made. And and she made what is it? The crackers. And then Addie, what did you want?
Vanilla.
Just vanilla. Here we go. And look at this. She did cookies. And what else did you do, Addie?
Sprinkles.
Oh, it's dripping. I'm so sorry. There you
All
go.
of them are.
We're out here in 100 and some degrees, so it's Ezra.
Just vanilla.
Oh, vanilla?
Yeah, just vanilla.
I thought he liked chocolate.
He does.
Chocolate. I love chocolate.
I know. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get a little bit of strawberry. Is it gonna be okay?
Yeah, it's fine. I like strawberry too.
Okay. And he had this little scoop is trying to make me go sideways. Sideways. I know.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. And there you go. My cone is actually
Oh, cone.
white chocolate with tajin and coconut. Can you believe it?
Sounds delicious.
It's sweet and here we go. And
Sweet and savory.
everybody say bye. And did you have fun on the show?
Bye. Bye.
And floss.
Oh, like, subscribe.
Dab.
Thumbs up.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment too.
Ooh, good job.
I just want you to know that prayer works. I had a incident that I needed prayer. I called the prayer line, and I just want you to know that within 20 minutes of that phone call of her praying, that my prayer was answered. So I want to encourage you today that believe God that He will answer your prayer, and it's a promise in the Bible, and God is not a God that He would lie. Jesus promises, and I trust His words in Matthew 7:11, that God always hears us and does answer our prayers. Ask and it will be given. Knock and it will be opened. Seek and you will find. In 1 John 15:14, if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. And if we know that He hears us, whatever we ask, we know we have what we have asked of Him. In Isaiah 65:24, before they call, I will answer them. While they're still speaking, I will hear. God hears the cries of His people and the prayers, and He will answer you today.